kina mama wamehimizwa kuzamia biashara ili kusaidia kuimarisha uchumi. Wengi wa wanawake hawa wanasemekana kukosa ujuzi wa kuimarisha uchumi, haswa kwa sekta ya uuzaji wa nyumba. Akizungumza kwenye mkutano wa kuhamasisha kina mama, mkurugenzi wa kampuni ya Herencia Gerald Dungu amesema kina mama ni nguzo kuu kwenye uchumi wa Kenya.
Take a risk and just get
this Lydia KM. I'm a wellness and lifestyle content creator.
The men who have put a shilling on this property, there's a lady on the table. There's a lady on the table.
She came home and the first thing she told me when I picked her up from
we are really excited to influence as many women as possible to come and join us so that we are able to create an economy that is beautiful for our children.
There's always everything. There's always something for everybody. And my encouragement today is that property ownership is a journey that you start from the first step. You may not have money, you may not have a shilling in your pocket, but that decision to start thinking about ownership, even at Herencia, you come there and be able to sit you down and be able to consult, because we're not just selling. We're also doing what we call real estate consultancy.
The women in the economic development is a lot. Actually, most of the money that women earn is money for their families. It's not money for them. So they are the people who run, the people who run homes. They are the people who are.
The most important thing is to know your passion, and then be persistent with whatever you're doing, and then also be patient. Business is not like popcorn, which grows one day.
Sekta ya utalii Taita Taveta inatarajiwa kuimarika